I've just spent the past 3 hours paddling on my kayak from way over there to way over there, and casting and trawling, and didn't get a touch. But I can't leave Greens Lake without having a flick at the boat ramp. It's my favourite spot to throw a spinner, so I've got to give it a shot. I've caught so many redfin here in the past, and to be honest, half the time I get one on the first cast. I got a weed on the first cast. Oh, there we go. All I had to do to catch a redfin was come to the boat ramp. Oh! What'd I tell you, eh? It's a ripper spot, this boat ramp. It's funny, I covered so much of the lake in the kayak and didn't get a touch. And then I come to the boat ramp and I catch a little reddy. There we go, another one. Is this one going to hang on? There we go, I even get to look at this one. Caught on the Joe's fly spinner, which is around that side of the fish. There we go. One little Greens Lake redfin caught on the Joe's fly spinner. He didn't even take the treble, he took the fly hook. That's awesome. Must have really wanted it. See you, buddy. Ah, pull the hook out of my thumb. Thanks for that. Catch a few more before I go home for dinner. Yep. Brilliant. There is a huge school of these right in front of me. Good fun. And he took all 4 hooks. He took the treble and the fly. He's got them down. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, time to sacrifice you to the gods, my friend. There was a pelican sitting there when I got here, but he's buggered off, so I can't even give him this redfin, but I reckon that seagull there might want it. It's about his size. There we go. It's yours, take it. Am I too close? Yep. He's got it. Off he goes. And the other one's chasing him. They're going to argue over that for a while. Brilliant. Now, is there any more small redfin in front of me? Or did I take too long feeding the seagulls? The magpie stole it on them, and they're not happy about it. Well, school of reddies might have moved on while I was stuffing around unhooking that last one, because out of all the redfin I've ever caught, that was probably the one I had the most trouble unhooking. It took me ages. Oh, never mind, they're still there. You beauty. Just had to find them again. Alright, this one didn't swallow the hook and I unhooked him fairly easy, so he can go in the water over there somewhere. And I'll try and get some more because the school's still here. Oh, yep, they're definitely, yep. Oh, I missed him. I was going to say they're definitely there, but he didn't hook up. Yes, one last one. Probably the smallest of them all. Oh, you beauty. Oh, he's still there. All right, this one's going to you, mate. It's your dinner. I promised. Here you go. You ready? Oh, he's scared of it. Oh, it just fell in that hole. Can you get it out? Well, the seagull finally flew off with that redfin, as I had 3 or 4 more casts, but I didn't get another one. That was a fun 5 or so minutes of fishing. That's why I always put in a cast at the boat ramp before I leave Greens Lake, or even as soon as I arrive, or even for the whole time I'm here. I just love fishing this boat ramp. It's a quick video this time, just a little bonus one. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'll see you in the next one.